we have Reza, Muhammad Reza Erfit, to present the projects and the works that Reza has made. So, Reza, I would like to confirm: is this your presentation correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so Reza, please share and take the floor. Floor is yours now.
Okay, thank you Kak Furqan and thank you everyone. Uh, good. My name is Reza and I'm currently an intern in the field of data science at Bukit Vista as a seventh semester student at data science technology in Airlangga University. Next, Kak. Okay, this internship opportunity has been an invaluable experience for me. And today, I'm excited to share with you some highlights from my journey internship where academic knowledge meet hands-on application in the vibrant world of data science. Thank you for being a part of this presentation and exploration of my internship experience. Next, Kak. Okay, nestled in dynamic world of property management, Bukit Vista stands as a beacon of innovation and strategic uh, foresight. I have been a unique opportunity to delve deep into dynamic pricing, the first one. So for the table of contents in this presentation, I will elaborate the first one: introduction, project scope, operations, and what I learned at Bukit Vista, appreciation, and personal story. Next. Okay, the first one is project scope. Uh, the first is dynamic pricing. Periodically revise property daily rates by considering performance metrics such as booking pace, booking window, earned revenue, occupancy rate, and other reference factors. The second is revenue projection, developing an assessment based on both qualitative and quantitative evaluation through in-depth analysis of business plan, business arrangement, and property appraisal types. And the third is revenue projection automation. Creating an automated revenue prediction documents involve leveraging the large language model by OpenAI and employing an XGBoost regression model to evaluate properties and forecast their daily rate. And each of project scope I will elaborate in the next session. Next up. Okay. First is dynamic parsing. In my first 1 until 2 months at Bukit Vista, dynamic parsing became my weekly canvas, where I blended the precision of a scientist with the creativity of an artist. Each week brought a new set of properties, each demanding a unique pricing strategy, intricately woven from various data threads. The background of the problem in response to market fluctuation and changing consumer demands, the need for a strategic pricing approach became evident for properties managed by Bukit Vista. The task involved the implementation of dynamic pricing strategies across multiple properties within the Bukit Vista property. Um, Dynamic pricing entails adjusting property rates based on real-time market condition, demand patterns, and other relevant factors. Fortunately, utilizing Atlas, advanced technology for listing analysis and strategy, it developed by Bukit Vista team, our sophisticated machine learning tool. I navigated the complex variable of each property's booking patterns, like ADR, occupancy rates, and length of stay. Atlas, more than just a data analysis tool, I think, act as a practice guide and dynamically adjusting price in real time to ensure our properties remain competitive in the market. And uh, I dynamically set the price of each property on any given day by analyzing the data of our property and the strategy set by the manager. For example, analyzing a villa's peak booking trends in summer or a cabin's winter allure set the stage for our initial pricing strategies. This type was harmoniously blended with ADR historical data and fine-tuned to current market trends to strike the right pricing notes. The occupancy and length of stay also add another layer to this melody, helping shape a pricing harmony that resonated with guest preference and booking behaviors. whether capitalizing on high occupancy with longer stay or adapting to varied stay length. The strategy was always fine-tuned to the property unique narrative. And the result, the impact extends beyond immediate financial gains, contributing to the establishment of Bukit Vista as dynamic and adaptive player in the hospitality industry, I think. Okay, next. Kak. Okay, the second is revenue projection. Um, in the realm of property management in Bukit Vista, the challenge extend beyond the mere generation of revenue projection. It lies in the intricate task of crafting a narrative that seamlessly intertwines qualitative and quantitative insight. Clients don't just seek numbers, they desire a future vision for their property, necessitating a bespoke approach to the art of forecasting. Uh, this initiative involves the deployment of several distinct production models, just like business plan, business package. This model offers a revenue forecast tailored for collaborative property ownership, ensuring comprehensive understanding of the financial outlook. Also, business plan type full board package, an advanced plan providing detailed revenue and expense prediction for fully managed by Bukit Vista. This model paints a holistic picture of the financial landscape, encompassing both income and expenditures. The third is business enhancement plan. This plan are intricately designed to optimize existing partnership by identifying growth opportunities. It goes beyond forecasting and delves into strategic enhancement for sustained success. And the fourth is property appraisal. Essential for investment decision, this model evaluates potential returns and long-term value, providing property owners with critical insight into the financial viability or their investment. Also, for the implementation, the revenue projection in Bukit Vista, uh, we take five key strategies. The first is guest experience management, which is the foundation of the strategy lies deployed to assess the design, location, and product user fit of the properties. This step optimize properties for maximum appeal and market competitiveness. The second is property attribute evaluation. Also, uh, this key evaluate for quantitative analysis, both and qualitative analysis. The third is ranking focus, acknowledging the critical importance of search rankings in the OTA. The strategies concentrates on enhancing rankings through positive guest reviews and increased bookings to be driving from profitability. And the fourth is owner relationship management, which is a strong relationship with property owners is fostered through the implementation of the owner relationship equation, ensuring effective collaboration for mutual success. And the last is staff quality emphasis. Uh, we believe recognizing the quality of staff significantly impacts guest experience. The focus is maintained and having welcoming and attentive staff to create a positive guest experience and gain favorable reviews. Uh, next up, and the result for this operation, uh, I think this meticulously crafted principle are not mere theoretical construct. They serve as the foundation for my hands-on creation of robust, reliable, and relevant revenue prediction. Guiding the analytical processes, they ensure the delivery of actionable data that in turn becomes the cornerstone for fostering successful collaboration with the property owners. This impact extends beyond numbers as actively engaged in the process of creating revenue prediction. In considering all the factors mentioned and basing decision on comprehensive data. And it is not this hands-on approach creates a symbiotic relationship where strategic insight and collaborative efforts, roots in real-time prediction, drive sustainable success in dynamic landscape of property management by Bukit Vista. Next up. All right. The third is revenue prediction automation. The ground of this problem is the landscape of revenue prediction task presented a formidable challenge characterized by repetitive work, a surge in assessment requests, and discernible standard difference among executors. The laborious nature of manual revenue prediction demand a re-evaluation of process to enhance efficiency and accuracy. In practical terms, the time investment for crafting and single revenue projection for a property surprise, I think, take 2 hours mark. This inefficiency compounded by the high volume of assessment requests underscore the pressing need for a swift and accurate solution. The existing manual approach not only consumes valuable time and research, but also introduce the potential of um, discrepancies arising from a standard difference among. And for the implementation of these tools, uh, in tandem with my colleague, yeah, Ferdi, we embarked on a groundbreaking journey to streamline and enhance the revenue projection process at Bukit Vista. This collaborative effort resulted in the creation of the GAIA revenue projection tools, a technological innovation designed to automate and optimize the property analysis. The GAIA tool stands out for its ability to seamlessly integrate both qualitative and quantitative analysis, providing a comprehensive view of property dynamics. Uh, this holistic approach ensures that the tool doesn't merely crunch numbers out, considers the qualitative aspect that contribute to a property's revenue potential. To fortify the qualitative dimension, the GAIA tool leverages the power of the OpenAI API. This integration allows for advanced qualitative design and ensuring the tool doesn't just rely on data but also incorporates nuances, insight, and consideration. The GAIA tool doesn't operate in isolation. I think it taps into the world of expert knowledge housed at Bukit Vista. By integrating insight for experienced professional in the field, the tool gains a strategic edge, make informed decision based on the understanding of the property management. The qualitative analysis involves a multifaceted approach. It begins with scraping, where relevant data is extract from various sources, setting the stage for comprehensive analysis. This data is then meticulously populated into the database, creating a structured foundation for subsequent assessment. Also, adding a visual dimension to the qualitative analysis, the GAIA tool goes beyond conventional methods by automatically generating Airbnb density image. This visual representation offer valuable insight into market demand, allowing for a more nuanced understanding of properties positioning. The GAIA tools also takes a step further by assessing product survey and market potential. This involves harnessing the capabilities of large language model OpenAI seamlessly integrated into the Bukit Vista system. Next up. Okay, the results of these tools, the GAIA tools, users' friendliness is showcases through its seamless integration with Coda. Team members in the business development easily input required data such as latitude, longitude, area size, number of bedroom, and others. This streamlined process not only saves time but also reduce the likelihood of data entry errors. Also, this tools, as a testament to the tool's efficiency, once data is entered into Coda, GAIA text starts automating the analysis process. The results are seamlessly communicated to the team through Slack notification. This real-time feedback loop ensures the business development team stays informed and enabling prompt action on the insight generated. In a sense, the GAIA revenue projection tool is more than just a tool. I think it's a transformative force in the property management landscape by integrating qualitative and quantitative analysis, advanced AI capabilities, and user-friendly interfaces. Gaia empowers teams to make strategic decisions supported by data-driven insight. I think it's significantly enhancing efficiency and accuracy in the revenue production process. Next, Kak. Okay. Moving to what I learned in Bukit Vista, start from knowledge. The first is hospitality, of course. Immersed in the realm of hospitality, I've gained valuable insight into providing exceptional guest experience, understanding the intricacies of guest satisfaction, and effective communication has been a cornerstone of my learning. The second is digital marketing. All right, in the BBW session, I delve into the realm of digital marketing, learning the art of audience engagement and strategies to attract a broader audience to property listings and websites. This experience has equipped me with practical marketing skills essential for the industry. The third is property assessment. The knowledge of property assessment has been integral to my learning journey. Understanding how to evaluate the features, location, fertilizer fit, and others of properties has provided me with a crucial skill set for making informed decision and property management. Next is dynamic pricing. Um, Engaging with dynamic pricing methodologies, I've learned how to adapt and optimize pricing strategies based on market dynamics, occupancy rates, and other variables. This dynamic approach ensures competitiveness and maximize revenue. Even I do dynamic pricing in only 1 until 2 months yearly. The fifth is preservation and hosting. Uh, Through hands-on experience, I've honed the skill of being an effective reservation and hosting. Learning the art of serving guests with excellent contributes to a positive, I think, overall experience and encourage repeat business. Uh, and the last is video editor. In the second month of my journey, I expanded my skill set to include video editing, working on transferring knowledge from business intelligence. I've acquired the ability to create engaging and informative content that is accessible to both partners and also for the public. These diverse skills collectively contribute to a well-rounded understanding of the hospitality industry and enabling me to navigate various aspects with confidence and proficiency. In the realm of hospitality at Bukit Vista, my journey extends beyond daily operation. Notably, I even and I also earned, I was honored with an invitation from the Yogyakarta government to share insight on digital tourism. This opportunity allowed me to discuss leveraging technology in the hospitality sectors, emphasizing the practical application and impact of digital tools. Engaging this dialogue with local authorities showcases the significance of the knowledge and I gained at Bukit Vista, demonstrating its real-world relevance and broad impact on the digital landscape of tourism in Indonesia. Next, Kak. All right. Next, what I learned, both of hard skill and soft skill. The first is hard skill. Python, SQL, and Flask. I've acquired a robust set of our skill for these tools, Python, SQL, and Flask. The first, Python is versatile language, has been a cornerstone in scripting, automation, and application development endeavors. Also, I've honed my proficiency in SQL, mastering the art of crafting queries of efficient management and query of relational database. And complementing this skill, Flask, likewise, Python web framework has become an integral part of my toolkit, enabling me to develop automation, enhance back-end functionalities, and elevate user experience. The second is AI integration. Uh, I think it has been step but immensely rewarding. Understanding the pervasive use of AI in various domains, I've had the opportunity to collaborate with a skilled team delve into AI integration practice. This experience has illuminated the widespread application of AI, offering insight into the implementation across diverse projects at Bukit Vista. In data analytics, my journey has been marked by uh, data analytic also, of course, from scraping and populating database to automating Airbnb density image generation and others. Have engaged in tasks that provide advanced understanding of market dynamic. And the last for skill is machine learning model. Uh, my role extended beyond theoretical knowledge to practical application. Specifically, I've leveraged on regression model to assess properties and predict daily rates. Beyond model implementation, I've actively engaged in exploratory data analysis or EDA to extract valuable insight from Airbnb data. Also, from soft skill, my internship has been a rich search of learning, emphasizing the development of critical thinking, problem solving, discipline, and communication. First is critical thinking. For critical thinking, engaging with intricate challenge in property management and data analytics has required me to analyze situation from multiple perspectives. This ability to evaluate information critically has been instrumental in making informed decision and proposing effective solution. Uh, the nature of tasks at Bukit Vista demand a proactive approach to problem solving also, whether it was optimizing revenue projection, addressing data-related challenge, or enhancing operational efficiency. I've cultivated a problem-solving mindset. This experience has not only burned my skill set, but also instilled confidence in tackling complex issues. Also, the fast-paced nature when I interned here has instilled a sense of discipline in managing tasks efficiently and meeting deadlines. And the last is effective communication has been a cornerstone of my internship, collaborating with cross-functional teams and conveying complex technical concepts and non-technical stakeholders require clear and consistent communication. Next. Also, I've learned the essence of the company's 8 core values, each encapsulating a fundamental principle that gets of our professional journey. That also mentioned uh, with the presentation before. The first is step on toes, be transparent, details matter, help others to help themselves, don't assume, use data, never settle, be the hero, and fail fast. Next. Also, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to several individuals who have played pivotal roles in my internship journey here at Bukit Vista. The first and foremost, and sincere thank you to Kak Bella, my mentor, my friend, my supervisor. Also, her guidance has been invaluable, and she has consistently provided opportunities aligned with my competencies. Kak Bella, always open to feedback, genuine concern for my well-being, and constant encouragement have made the internship truly enriching experience. Also, extend my experience to Kalilis, my supervisor, for fostering a creative environment and encouraging me to think outside the box. Her support has empowered me to approach challenge with a more innovative mindset. And also a special thanks to Kafidi, the Vice President of Engineering, for his patience in dealing with my coding errors, and even during the times when I unintentionally brought down the Flash server. His kindness and guidance have been instrumental in my learning journey. Uh, also, I also want to acknowledge Kak Khalid for his assistance whenever I encounter coding challenge, and his willingness to help has been a valuable resource. And also to my teammate, the one and only my partner in business data scientist intern, Ferdian. Your openness to my stories and willingness to lend a helping during two times have made our collaboration enjoyable. Looking forward to some post-internship adventures. Lastly, a shout out to Kak Maria, who played a crucial role as the executor in the revenue production process. Your support has been instrumental in the success uh, of our collaborative efforts on revenue production. Next. Okay. For my personal thoughts to Bukit Vista, the company's vibrant culture, supportive team, and emphasize on effective communication stood out. I gained technical skill, learned the value of a positive work environment, and experienced firsthand the impact of collaborative teamwork. And this internship has undoubtedly equipped me for future success. Next. And finally, I want to express my sincere gratitude to everyone who has support and guided me throughout this internship. Thank you for the opportunities provided, the invaluable lessons taught, and the guidance that has been truly priceless. Once again, thanks to all of you. I feel that I have grown and become a more valuable individual of part of this team. Thank you, Kak Furkan. Back to
Thank
Kak
you.
Furkan.
Thank you very much, Reza. Oh my God, it was a very, very inspiring presentation. Thank you very much. Let's give a big applause, guys, for Reza here presenting his project in data science scope. And first thing, I would like to call Pak Gani. Pak Gani as Reza's guardian or also mentor lecturer from Data Science Technology UNAIR. Are you still here, Pak Gani?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay, Pak Gani, thank you very much for responding. Okay, Pak Gani, do you have some comments, some complimentaries, some wordings, or probably some questions that you would like to ask to Reza regarding his presentation?
Okay, let me speak in bahasa. Is it okay?
Yes, yes, please, Pak Gani, silakan.
Okay, sebelumnya saya banyak terima kasih kepada Bukit Vista ya, yang selama saudara Reza itu magang di ini memberikan pengetahuan yang dimana itu saya kira di perkuliahan belum secara teori ya itu masih belum cukup terkait dengan penerapan dari data science itu sendiri. Jadi setidaknya di Bukit Vista ini saudara Reza bisa menambah wawasan terkait dengan penerapan data science itu sendiri, dan kemudian terutama kepada Bukit Vista ya yang sudah saya rasa sudah ini ya beberapa kali diundang untuk mengadakan webinar di perkuliahan data science consulting ya, kemudian capital science data. Jadi sebenarnya harapan kami ya perwakilan dari program studi teknologi sains data berharap untuk kedepannya itu lebih ditingkatkan lagi ya dengan acara-acara webinar seperti ini agar supaya mahasiswa itu ini apa tidak hanya secara teori ya di perkuliahan, tetapi juga bisa seberapa luas sih penerapan dari sains data itu sendiri. Nah, kemudian terkait dengan proyek yang sudah dikerjakan oleh tim saudara Reza ya, ini saya sangat terkesan sekali ya. Itu di sini ada 3 proyek utama terkait dengan dynamic pricing, revenue projection, dan kemudian revenue projection automation. Saya kira di sini sebenarnya untuk proyek yang revenue projection dan revenue projection automation ini saya rasa merupakan kelanjutan ya dari dynamic pricing ya, di mana di sini dari dynamic pricing itu sendiri itu dipengaruhi oleh ada beberapa faktor di sini dengan booking pace, booking window, earning revenue, occupancy rate, and other relevant factor gitu ya. Nah di sini mungkin ini bisa di apa istilahnya bisa dijabarkan ya untuk misalkan terkait dengan booking pace ya sama booking window ini lebih mendetail lagi. Mungkin ada faktor lagi kalau dikupas lebih detail lagi ya. Nah di sini menurut saya di sini tim Reza ini lebih fokus ini, saya rasa lebih fokus ke bagian earn revenue di sini ya, terkait dengan revenue itu sendiri, di mana di sini berkelanjutan di proyek kedua terkait dengan revenue projection. Jadi bagaimana sebuah analisis dan kemudian dari analisis itu sendiri, di sini tim Reza itu membuat sebuah model, ya, model menggunakan large language model, ya, dan kemudian dengan bantuan Cibus itu bisa memprediksi terkait dengan ini apa, terkait dengan tarif hariannya. Jadi saya rasa ada ini ya, ada istilahnya masih ada yang perlu harus dikerjakan untuk kedepannya ya. Jadi untuk di sini saya sangat mengapresiasi ya hasil dari timnya Reza ini dalam bagaimana sih kita itu membuat sebuah model yang benar-benar optimal ya. Jadi di mana nanti harapan dari model yang dibangun ini nanti akan mempengaruhi terkait dengan dynamic pricing itu sendiri, seperti itu. Nah kemudian ya tak lupa lagi saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada mentor ya, terutama mentor yang sudah membantu tim saudara Reza ya dalam mengembangkan project ini. Kemudian kepada kolega juga ya, kolega-kolega ini. Itu mungkin Mas Furqan saran dari saya.
Terima kasih banyak Pak Gani atas saran dan masukannya. Kami sangat menghargai saran dan masukannya, dan apalagi yang tadi Pak Gani bilang di awal, pastinya kita akan sangat senang untuk membuka pintu kolaborasi bersama ya Pak Gani antara Bukit Vista dan juga FTSD Unair agar kolaborasi dari segi pemantapan mahasiswa dan juga SDM bangsa secara keseluruhan akan lebih baik untuk menyambut era dunia yang baru yang dipenuhi dengan AI.
Betul Mas Furqan.
Oke, baik, terima kasih banyak Pak Gani atas saran dan masukannya. And actually there is a very interesting wording about the Reza's mentorship. So basically, Reza give recognition for his several mentors, and one of them is actually here with us today. So to Kafidi as the Vice President of Engineering, place is yours to give your comments.
Okay, thank you very much, Furqan. And also good afternoon, Pak Gani.
Good afternoon.
Salam kenal ya, Pak Gani. And also congratulations to Reza for completing your internship. You've been through a lot of up and downs in your internship period. In the beginning, I remember Reza and Ferdi has concerns with honing their technical skills, since they think that what they're doing is not aligned with their personal goal during this internship. And after that, we worked very intensely. We meet like 3 times a week, for revenue projection project, which is built ground up by Reza and also Ferdi. Both of them works really well together. And Reza is since Reza is also executing directly the manual work of doing revenue projection, he's able to give insights with what can be automated with this revenue projection. So it's very important for Reza to understand that when developing a tool, there are 2 kinds of engineers. One engineer is one type of engineer is the one who just receive the task and just execute whatever the PM says, and the other type of engineer is the excellent one. I think the one that is able to also understand the core process of what they're trying to build, and then try to improve the process by using technology as a tool. And in Reza's internship, I think there are a lot of strengths, and there's also some weaknesses. Some strength is that Reza is very resilient, when doing tasks, and also like facing bugs. He's very resilient in trying to figure out the solution, like trying to figure out how to solve the bug himself and all that. And he's also able to give feedback towards the thing that he's doing, since he's also executing. Some weakness that maybe Reza can improve in the future is the technical skill, Reza. Sometimes it's not really a problem, I think, because technical skill can be gained with experience later on. But most importantly is the mindset during the development, where I think Reza is very sometimes he's very nervous when he's asked a question, and when there are problems. So you might want to take a deep breath and try to relax a little bit so that you don't get nervous. Because I know that you understand what you're doing. I know that you're capable of doing the task. But when you're facing a bug and then you're sharing your screen, sometimes you look very lost. But then after I explain like A, B, C to Reza, and then I meet him the next day, he already solved the problem, but he's just not able to solve the problem on the spot. So that's the difference. Then maybe that can be improved by keeping calm and trying to like gather your thoughts and execute it one by one, as opposed to being overwhelmed with whatever your bug you're facing. So that's another very important improvement that I think will be useful for Reza in the future if he wants to develop or evolve as a developer. Overall, I hope that this internship brings a lot of experience and knowledge to you, yeah, Reza. And again, congratulations.
Okay, thank you very much, Kak Vidi, for sharing your thoughts regarding Reza's internship performance. So that's it for Reza's presentation. Once again, thank you very much, Pak Gani, for coming into the presentation, and also Reza to present this presentation. Let's give one big applause again to Reza. Okay. Next, we have another one last person before we come into a break session. So let's move it forward. And but before we change the slide, I would like to welcome Mr. Azari. Mr. Azari, are you with us today?
Yes, I am here.
Okay, Mr.